Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Dominaria United. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a soldier token. Then our land is a forest. Then we have Defiler of Vigor, Benalia's Ruin, Combat Research, Herloon Battle Hymn, MacLeod Sentry, Charismatic Vanguard, Salvaged Mana Worker, Phyrexian Warhorse, Tolarian Terror, Writhing Necromass, Thrill of Possibility, Furious Bellow, Bite Down, and Molten Tributary. So again, Molten Tributary, Bite Down, Furious Bellow, Thrill of Possibility, Writhing Necromass, Tolarian Terror, Phyrexian Warhorse, Salvaged Mana Worker, Charismatic Vanguard, MacLeod Sentry, Herloon Battle Hymn, Combat Research, Benalia's Ruin, Defiler of Vigor, which for 3 green is a 6/6 trampling creature that also says as an additional cost to cast green permanent spells you may pay 2 life. Those spells cost 1 green less to cast if you paid life this way. This effect reduces only the amount of green mana you pay, and whenever you cast a green permanent spell, put a +1/+1 counter on each creature you control. This is the green Defiler from the set. Little over a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago at this point, I talked about another Defiler, and I mistakenly said that it was a partial cycle. There are 5 Defilers in this set, so it is a full cycle. And the green one is arguably the best of the 5. It's giving you +1/+1 counters on every creature you control every time you cast a green permanent. And green is the color of ramp. It is the color of going wide. You are able to get so many little creatures out with green, and then getting +1/+1 counters on each of them every time you're putting out another creature or an enchantment. It's explosive. It rewards going wide by letting you go tall from going wide. And to get that mana reduction that every Defiler has is great, but really it's the constant counters from this. So this is the best of the 5 Defilers, and this fits in any +1/+1 counter deck. It fits in tokens. It fits in just green creatures. It furthers green stompy creatures all the more. Then we have a forest for our land and a soldier token to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.